Welcome to this session of Kids Grab and Go, Be Positive Hanging. You'll also need to grab some water and some paper towels. First, to get started, open up your paints, and I started with blue. You don't necessarily have to follow the same pattern I'm doing. I just thought this looked pretty neat with this effect. I decided to paint the top part blue. Kind of made me think about how the sky is the top part of a painting, and so it's blue. I don't know, whatever you decide, if you want to paint stripes or any kind of design, but try not to make it be too busy. Next, wash out your brush thoroughly. With some paper towels, you can dampen out the excess water. Something you might find helpful is squeezing the excess of the foam brush. It's kind of like a sponge. And as I said, using a paper towel to get the excess water. Next, you can switch to your next color. Again, I'm deciding to do half and half, kind of like a half moon cookie, I guess. And painting carefully to not get it too much over the sides. And you'll notice I kept a separation at first, and then I'll carefully fine-tune the edges. Once my brush is clean, I can then smooth it over and make those two sections seamless. Now it's time to allow it to dry. Once you're sure that your painting is dry, grab your metallic pen. I just used a little section of the newspaper to do a little practice drawing of it. Picking a positive word, go ahead and start to write it out. With the twine, put it through the already drilled hole on the wood chip and carefully tie off the end at the top. You probably noticed that you have a lot left over after this with the paint, so feel free to paint the other side, or since the weather's starting to break, maybe you'll go on a journey and find a rock and you could start painting positive words on rocks. Don't forget to subscribe to our Manlius Library YouTube channel for more ideas.